What's going on, guys, and welcome to Mike's Gaming. So today I'm going to be telling you guys a tutorial on how to set up your streaming devices to not streaming devices, but your stream devices onto your not plug it in or anything, but like show you guys the software and all that, guys, so you guys can see what on my perspective how I set up my got my one 4K 60 Pro, which is on the PC, which is a PCIe 16 slot, so you can see that a lot more. If I'm gonna look at that way, I'm gonna be looking at that way. So let's jump into it. So I'm gonna bring up my Elgato here. We'll bring that up here. If I'm looking that way, there's my other monitor right there, so you can see how what I'm doing. So here, I'll pop it up. So let's bump it up here. So if you bought one of these and you don't have it's all blank except the Elgato logo, it will have it in the middle, so you guys see, oh, the Elgato Stream Deck is in the middle, and you can delete that, or it goes to the website. But how I did it, I use now. I click on, okay, I did this. This is a folder. This is the folder right here. So I haven't tried to fix that one yet. That's gonna be something else right here, but I don't know. But let's see. The Elgato. This is my Stream Deck in the 4K app. I just plugged that in, and it works great. So next, what I did is add a folder. So you just click create a folder, which gives me this, and then I did that. So now this right here, this is the thing that goes with the software. For example, I'm going to, I know I can't pop it up right now, but yeah. So if you think about like the thing here, sorry, I'm not a good tutorial host, but let's see here. How I did this is I use the OBS Studio. I use Scene. If you set up your scenes, I'll show you guys how it's done. But let's say I have it on here. So let's go. I'm gonna go pop this up right here for a second. So I'm gonna minimize that, and I'm gonna open up Streamlabs. So Streamlabs OBS is what I do for my MC vlogs. I mean, my vlogging channel. So I'm gonna pop that up on the screen. So as you can see here, it's the same thing here, but I'll show you guys in a second here about the Stream Deck here. So what it does, oops, sorry about that. I don't want to do empty vlog streaming. Let me fix that again. So what I did here is I added, it'll be right here, Streamlabs OBS. And if you add scenes, like say you add scenes, you put a starting scene, you rename it, and you put start, and this gives you, and you put a JPEG on here or a GIF or whatever, and you add that. Now just a cam, I just put my webcam, but I'm using it as right now for the Elgato, the live stream right now. Then you put sources, and I did this, and so I put it in a folder. So it gives me my subscribe here, like and share, the border for the webcam, and WebEx. And we can rename that and things like that. So I put the folder here. It's just a cam. I just put that because it's a cam, because it's webcam and all that. Like and share up here, of course, right there. But when you do this, you add a source, like, of course, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna give you on our next tutorial. I'm gonna show you guys how to add sources. So I'll give you a tutorial on that. So next, we just display. as you can see, we're on display right here, so you can see my mouse or cursor right there. And then be right back is just the same thing as the other one, but I put a JPEG there and that here. It's just same exact thing, guys. Same exact thing. Display, same exact thing. Thanks for watching. It is the same exact thing. So as you can see, my microphone's moving, but how it's done is go to scene, you add it. So you add scene, right? I know this is messed up. I don't have anything but right there, but add scene, and you have a creator folder, and you title it, which I don't have any folders to do that with, so pictures to do it. But I add start and stop, which is the record button. Stream is right over here. Source or scene. I add mixer audio right down here, I think. Play audio, which is right here. And the same thing goes to here. And it goes like right here. So I'm gonna give you something right here. I'll give you something right now. So say that says it's starting soon, so I'll be like this. That's starting soon. I'm playing with it right now. Just a cam right there. Display. Be right back, because I need to be right back. Desktop. Well, desktop is, I don't know what the hell that is. The audio. Thanks for watching, of course. And I put some play audios here, and I can do the mic right there, so you guys can see that it's not playing. But your mic, cam, and turn that on when you need to do it the most. So now it's the same thing as doing the same thing with OBS. Same exact setup. Now that's how you do it for streaming, because the folders is basically the scenes you need. I'm gonna rename that to scenes. Rename scenes. You can actually name all, and I wanna rename it to MC Vlogs. So I would title that. Oops. I want to name it to that because that's my. Name. Sorry guys, I didn't do it right. I just went. There you go. Now it's empty logs, and you press done. Now, it depends on what you want to do for live stream. You can live stream. Do the same thing with Twitch, and you can do that with, you know, YouTube, whatever you want to do with streaming, like Mixer and all that. But next, I'm gonna do that here. So now I have an Elgato Stream Deck Mini. Which I'm gonna pop it up here. Stream Deck Mini, and these three is my Adobe Premiere. I don't use anything else. I use Adobe Premiere to cut, to delete, and select. Well, you can do a lot of things with the software. You just add select. I just put the, let's see, hotkeys, and do that in the software, so you guys can do that a lot easier. So now you can actually use, like, say, a hotkey for Adobe Premiere, and you want to instead of doing it on the keyboard, which is so much to hassle, is what you do is actually like you just press the hotkey, let's say on the keyboard, not the keyboard, but on the keyboard first, then you put that into like you try to cut or put the picture in there and see his hotkey, and when you go to Adobe Premiere, it will work. So I would show tutorials on that right now, but I want to do it like soon, not right now, but I'll do it in the next tutorial or something like that in the future. How I did that, how I do it. But same thing goes for any editing softwares or like music or whatever, and then I could do, let's say, okay, I use how I do this. I'm going to show you guys something on the other Elgato. Now, I can press Audacity right here. It'll bring up Audacity, and it brings up Audacity because I pressed Audacity, and it pops up right here. So and so yeah. Now, as you can see, like the whole situation is Elgato's of, as I said, the Stream Deck in 4K. I don't have anywhere else for it. And in media, I press media, so you can see it. So you can't see it, but I'm gonna press play or volume up. Can't see it, but it's volume up. But you'll see. Well, you'll see. I'll bring that down here for a second. I'm gonna add another display. No, window capture. Add a display capture. And sorry about that. Oh wait. Sorry for the inception, guys. But I'm sorry. I'm trying to give you the inception. But I'm gonna show you guys real quick. When you press that, you can see the minus button going down like this. You can see it goes up, pause, up, whatever, and volume up for the video, whatever you want. So I don't do that. I'm not doing an inception here because it's retarded. Sorry. God bless me. So yeah, so you guys can see how I press it and all that. So you guys can see that. Now, other things you can do with you can put game capture or OBS, soundboard, the system. You can actually add text, multimedia, control center, IQ, which is a profile. I want to do this real quick. I want to do that here. Okay. Let's do profiles. Let's try that here. But how I'm doing this is I'm going to open Corsair. This is my Corsair app. And I gotta find the Corsair app. So Corsair link. No, that's not it. I'm going to open Corsair. Corsair is the one not the link, but it's the IQ. So I can see right. Oh shit. So I'm gonna open that now. Give me a second. That'll pop up. Hopefully. But as you can see, it's popping up here. So it pops up and pop up here. Let's try this here. Profile 5. Try this here. So shift. So profile 5. And devices. I can change profiles and things like that. So let's see profile. Or IQ. I'll show you something. So you can see my mouse, right? See right here? It's changing color, the modes, and profiles. So that's pretty cool about it. But you have to have it open for some reason. And spiral rainbow, can do a lot of things on this. Lighting link, fast, slow, medium, counter goes. And it's actually pretty cool to have the IQ in the software now for the Elgato Stream Deck app. So now it's pretty amazing trick, not trick, but it's pretty difficult, guys. But you'll get used to it. But in the next live stream or live stream tutorial, I'll show you guys how the tutorial on how to set up OBS. Set up OBS and or Streamlabs OBS, either or, and it's gonna be the same exact thing. So yeah, so it's gonna be I'm going to set up Streamlabs OBS or OBS Studio. Open that up. Well, I'm gonna use OBS Studio for this to like say live stream to this channel, and then use Streamlabs OBS to set up a new to get the point, get the new stuff here. So guys, don't forget to please leave a like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smile because you guys are beautiful. Y'all are beautiful, and just subscribe and comment below and all that good stuff.